Question 1. What determines the final shape of a protein? Answer options are: Option A, the number of cells. Option B, the color of the protein. Option C, the sequence of amino acids. Option D, the size of the nucleus. Correct option is option C, the sequence of amino acids, because sequence determines how the chain folds. Question 2. What phrase helps remember protein biology? Answer options are: Option A, energy drives life. Option B, sequence drives structure and structure drives function. Option C, bigger proteins work better. Option D, shape does not matter. Correct option is option B, sequence drives structure and structure drives function, because structure determines what the protein does. Question 3. What type of bond connects amino acids? Answer options are: Option A, hydrogen bond. Option B, ionic bond. Option C, disulfide bond. Option D, peptide bond. Correct option is option D, peptide bond, because peptide bonds link amino acids into chains. Question 4. What structure forms first when amino acids connect? Answer options are: Option A, tertiary structure. Option B, quaternary structure. Option C, primary structure. Option D, active site. Correct option is option C, primary structure, because it is the linear sequence of amino acids. Question 5. Why is understanding amino acids useful for science students? Answer options are: Option A, it replaces lab work. Option B, it helps predict protein folding and function. Option C, it removes the need for memorization. Option D, it only applies to plants. Correct option is option B, it helps predict protein folding and function, because folding determines biological activity. Question 6. Why is this concept important in medicine? Answer options are: Option A, it explains weather. Option B, it builds bones directly. Option C, it explains protein misfolding diseases. Option D, it changes gravity. Correct option is option C, it explains protein misfolding diseases, because altered folding can cause disease. Question 7. Why can hemoglobin carry oxygen? Answer options are: Option A, it is red. Option B, its amino acid sequence allows proper folding. Option C, it is heavy. Option D, it floats in blood. Correct option is option B, its amino acid sequence allows proper folding, because correct folding creates the oxygen binding shape. Question 8. What causes sickle cell disease according to the episode? Answer options are: Option A, lack of oxygen. Option B, viral infection. Option C, too much iron. Option D, a single amino acid change. Correct option is option D, a single amino acid change, because even one change can alter structure and function. Question 9. Why do enzymes work correctly? Answer options are: Option A, they are large. Option B, they move fast. Option C, their folded shape creates a specific active site. Option D, they contain DNA. Correct option is option C, their folded shape creates a specific active site, because active site shape determines substrate fit. Question 10. What memory phrase was given in the episode? Answer options are: Option A, proteins are random. Option B, shape makes color. Option C, sequence makes shape and shape makes job. Option D, energy makes enzymes. Correct option is option C, sequence makes shape and shape makes job, because sequence determines structure and function. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.